Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start a new series on electric vehicle modeling using Blender and Verge 3D. So let us see the introduction. So, electric vehicle modeling is today a very important area where engineers and designers can create and interact with electric vehicle models. Blender is a very powerful tool, free for 3D modeling, and Verge 3D helps us to bring these models to life on the web. By combining these two, we can make digital car models that are realistic and interactive. So, in this presentation, we will see the concepts, workflow, and applications step by step. Now we will go to the next slide. So let us see what we will cover up in this session. We will start by understanding what electric vehicle modeling really means. Then we will explore why Blender is the right choice for electric vehicle design. After that, we will see how Verge 3D adds interactivity to these models. Finally, we will check out the workflow and some practical applications in engineering. Coming to the next slide, what is actually electric vehicle modeling? Electric vehicle modeling means creating 3D digital versions of electric vehicles. These models can help engineers test the look, shape, and function of the car before building it. We can use them to study the aerodynamics, weight balance, and ergonomics. Designers can place components like batteries and motors inside the model to see how everything fits in. This will save both time and cost since many problems can be solved virtually before making a real prototype. Coming to the next slide. Why Blender is used for electric vehicle design? Blender is actually a great tool because it is free and open source. It has advanced features for modeling car bodies, interiors, and very small parts. With the use of Blender, we can even simulate physics like suspension or crashes. It also supports realistic rendering so that we can make the car look photorealistic. Most importantly, the Blender works very perfect with Verge 3D for creating interactive experiences. Next slide, we will see the role of the Verge 3D in our Blender model for electric vehicle modeling. Verge 3D takes our Blender model and makes it more interactive on the web. This means that you can open a car model in a browser and explore it in real time. With Verge 3D, we can animate car parts like doors, wheels, and steering. It also allows users to change cars, colors, materials, and other features. This creates a bridge between the technical design and the customer's experience. That is wonderful, isn't it? Now, coming to the technical capabilities, Blender and Verge 3D each bring strong technical abilities. Blender lets us sculpt detailed shapes, apply physics, and create animations. For example, we can model a full electric vehicle body or simulate how it responds during a crash. Verge 3D, on the other hand, makes the model available on the web for interactive demos. Together, they enable customization, integration with CAD, and even IoT based features. Coming to the workflow demonstration, the workflow is simple and powerful. First, we model the car body and its parts inside the Blender. Next, we will add materials, textures, and lights to make it more realistic. Then we animate key elements like wheels or doors. Finally, we export the model to VH3D and add interactivity and publish it online for collaboration. Now let us look at the applications in engineering. There are many applications of this technology. Companies can use it for virtual prototyping and reduce costs of physical testing. Designers can check aerodynamics and ergonomics without building real cars. Interactive 3D models can also be used for client presentations and investor pitches. Additionally, it is also useful training engineers and connecting models with IoT data. Finally, concluding, Blender provides a very powerful way to model electric vehicles. Verge 3D extends this by making the models interactive and web ready. Together, they form a complete toolkit for engineers, designers, and educators. This combination saves us time, cuts costs, and makes collaboration easier. So, thank you for listening, and I hope that this session will help you explore electric vehicle modeling furthermore. So, we will come up with more videos on this in the coming days. Thank you all.